Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a mobile app with Appy Pie, full guide step by step clearly. To start a mobile app with Appy Pie, first, visit the Appy Pie website. Once the home page is loaded, click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address and create a password. You can also sign up using your Google or Facebook account for convenience. After creating your account, log in to your Appy Pie dashboard. On the dashboard, select the option to create a new app. Begin by choosing the type of app you want to create. Select from various categories, such as business, education, or entertainment. Next, you will be required to provide basic details about your app. Enter your app title and select a relevant color scheme and design theme. After that, click on Create App to proceed. Now, you'll be taken to the App Editor. The App Editor consists of different sections to customize your app. Start by adding essential features from the Features tab. You can choose from features like chat, GPS, push notifications, and more. Once you have selected your features, customize them according to your preferences. You can adjust content, images, and settings within each feature. After customizing the features, navigate to the Appearance section to tweak the visual aspects. Here, you can change the app's background, fonts, and icon. When you are satisfied with the customization, click on the Save button. Next, proceed to the Preview section to see how your app looks. Use the Preview feature to test functionality and make adjustments if necessary. Once everything looks good, head to the Publish section. Here, you will be guided through the steps for publishing your app. Select the platform where you want to make your app available, such as Android or iOS. Follow the on-screen instructions to submit your app to the respective app stores. Finally, monitor the performance of your app using analytics provided by Appy Pie. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.